Hey guys, today I am going to be installing a louvered exhaust fan, there it is right there, into my metal building. It is so hot here in Texas and I don't have an exhaust fan. Got my air conditioning and I got a little bit of insulation, but yeah, it gets crazy hot. And I was reading about these. It says to install them on the north or east side of your building. That is my east side over there. I don't feel like putting the fan over there. I have power right here, and so I'm going to install this over here on the north side. It's actually kind of the northeast side. I think that'll be the best spot. I'm going to do it up high, kind of behind that autometer sign. I'm going to remove these, and that'll be where I mount it so that I can get the most beneficial airflow. So what I'm going to do is hold this up there on the wall, and I'm going to trace out the shape of the fan right there, and I'm going to just mark it with a Sharpie or something so that I can take my angle grinder, which is hanging out right here, cut a hole in there. So yeah, let's go get a ladder and move this stuff out of the way. All right, so I got it pretty level. I'm gonna go ahead and mark with my marker here. I didn't think about this part. I gotta hold it really still. See if I can reach over there. Come on, baby. Perfect. I think we got it. We're gonna find out. There we go. So we got that. And then I will just make a level mark from here. And if it's not perfect, then we'll just cut it out again, or make it a little bigger. So that should roughly be the size I want. It might be a little small, and that's okay, because it's better to make it a little small and then open it up a little bit than it is to make it too big. But good thing is I have at least an inch on either side here, so I know I'm not too big for that. All right, there's Spider. Let's get the angle grinder and we can start cutting. Okay, I started my first cut right there. You can see daylight outside. I'm gonna start over here. I turned it off because I'm throwing sparks everywhere. I just didn't want to get it on the Ray-Bans here. So I'm going to turn these off. I'm going to get my goggles and cut this hole out. Well, I have it barely hanging on by a thread. Let's see if I can get this. I just cut right here. I don't want it to burn me. I'm sure it's going to be super hot. There we go. Little metal fatigue. Look at that. We can see right out of the building. This is probably not going to fit perfectly, so we'll just see how it is. Yeah, it's off by a little bit up top, so we're gonna have to enlarge the hole. I'm gonna enlarge it down here on the bottom. All right, so let's get that going, and we'll see exactly where I need to go. Grab that marker again. Up, marker's down there. I'll just do that. I didn't go all the way down on purpose. I just wanted to make sure I didn't do too much. You can hear my neighbor on the back side of the property with a wood chipper. All right, let's hold this up there. Make sure it fits on both sides. There we go. Let's get that side in first. I need to kind of trim this too. So we'll just trim a little more right through here. And then go across right here. There we go. Perfect. All right, let's do this. All right, got my hole made. And now I can get this bad boy in here. So I'm not too worried about the holes on the sides not exactly lining up, because right now all I'm gonna do is do some set screws, and then I'm going to make a frame for this. But right now I just want to get this thing set up in its new home, and then I will be able to make a good frame for it, and hopefully get this thing all sealed up. I'll use some butyl tape and some metal roof sealant so that no water or anything comes in here. But right now I'm just going to do this so I can secure it. So this is by no means the Final installation. Okay. So we got that boy sitting here, and I'm just going to send some screws through there. Actually, this would help if I turn the drill power on. All right, be right back. Okay, we have it secure. Now I can measure and make myself a nice bracket for that to sit in. So I'm going to go down here, plug this in, and just make sure everything's working properly. All right, got the fan installed up there. So we're just going to test functionality now before I do the final install with the trim and all that stuff. So just want to make sure it's going to work. So let's see. Let's turn on the fan. There we go. We can see the louvers pop open, and yeah. There we go. Look at that. So it looks like it's working well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make some trim pieces so that it can make it look a little prettier. And I'm also going to install some bolts from the outside with lock washers and all that coming into the inside to secure it. And then I'll add all the sealant and stuff like that. Right now I just wanted to test it and make sure it's working. Yeah, looking good. It's nice and quiet. I hear that fan way more than I hear this one. So I might come out here and test it in a few minutes and see if it feels any cooler. All right, well, I hope this helped you guys out. It's a pretty simple installation as long as you have an angle grinder and a drill. So yeah, this is gonna help, I hope, because it is hot in here. You guys take it easy.